Do you want to know how to make $10,000 as a student? Welcome to the world where earning substantial income while still studying isn't just a dream. Today, we will be diving into the exciting realm of online entrepreneurship, exploring business models and high-value services that can help you reach that coveted five-figure income mark. So, are you ready to transform your financial future? Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of making a hefty income as a student. The key to making $10,000 is finding the right online business model. Now you might be wondering, what is the right business model? Well, the answer to that question is not one size fits all. It significantly depends on your skills and interests. Are you a tech whiz? Perhaps you could consider developing mobile apps or website design. Are you a wordsmith? Content writing or blogging could be your golden ticket. The beauty of online businesses is the potential they hold to generate impressive profits with a relatively low initial investment. $1,000 might seem like a lot to a student, but when you compare it to the costs of setting up a traditional brick-and-mortar business, it's practically pennies. But remember, it's not just about choosing a business model that promises big bucks. It's about choosing one that resonates with you, one that you feel passionate about, and one that aligns with your current skills or those you're willing to develop. Choosing the right business model is the first crucial step towards making $10,000 as a student. Offering high-value services is your ticket to earning big. Now, what are high-value services? Simply put, these are services that offer substantial value to your clients, making them willing to pay a premium. They're often specialized skills that not everyone can perform, making your expertise highly sought after. Let's take building marketing funnels as an example. A marketing funnel is a tool that helps businesses convert potential customers into buyers. It's a strategic process, and not everyone can design an effective one. That's where you come in. If you can master this skill and offer it as a service, you'll find many businesses willing to pay handsomely for your expertise. Another example is creating short-form content. With the rise of platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, short-form content has become a key player in digital marketing. If you can create engaging, bite-sized content that captures attention and drives engagement, you've got a high-value service on your hands. Remember, these services are lucrative due to their high perceived value and high leverage. They aren't just any run-of-the-mill skills, they're specialized, in demand, and can command high rates. So, if you're looking to hit that $10,000 mark, honing and offering these high-value services is a surefire strategy. High-value services are your pathway to a steady income of $10,000. Time management is a skill that can be your ultimate game changer. It's the invisible thread that weaves together our business ambitions and academic responsibilities. Now let's break down how to manage your time effectively. First, understand the concept of time blocks. Allocate specific hours of your day to focused work on your online venture. These blocks should be distraction-free zones where you're solely focused on tasks that move your business forward. Second, embrace the power of prioritization. Not everything on your to-do list carries equal weight. Identify the tasks that have the highest impact on your business and tackle them first. Third, don't forget to schedule time for your studies. We're talking about making $10,000 as a student after all. Your academics shouldn't be a casualty of your entrepreneurial journey. And finally, remember to take breaks. It may sound counterintuitive, but taking short, scheduled breaks can actually improve productivity and creativity. So let's start looking at time as an ally, not an enemy. It's a resource to be managed, not a battle to be won. Mastering time management can fast-track your journey to making $10,000. Dedication, the right business model, high-value services, and effective time management. These are your keys to making $10,000 as a student. Remember, success lies in your ability to identify viable online business models and offer services that have high perceived value. Managing your time effectively is also a crucial piece of the puzzle. So don't wait. Start today. Build your marketing funnels, create engaging short-form content, and watch as your enterprise grows. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money as a student. Your journey to financial independence starts here.